Welcome to the world of gaming, where the only limit is your imagination. And to help you take your gaming to the next level, I'm here to introduce you Cosmic Byte Themis Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. This keyboard is a perfect combination of style, performance, and affordability. It's got everything you need to dominate your opponent and claim victory. So, what are you waiting for? Let's take a closer look at the Cosmic Byte Themis Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. So, here we go. First of all, let's talk about the looks. The Cosmic Byte Themis Mechanical Gaming Keyboard has a stunning RGB backlight design that will light up your gaming setup. The lights are vibrant and bright, and they can be customized to your liking. You can even set up different profiles for different games. But looks aren't everything. The Cosmic Byte Themis Mechanical Gaming Keyboard also has the performance to back it up. It's equipped with quantum blue switches, which are tactical and clickly. This means that you will get a satisfying feeling when you pressing the key, and you also be able to feel the extra movement when the key registers. This is essential for competitive gaming where every millisecond counts. In addition to tactile and clicky switches, the Cosmic Byte Themis Mechanical Gaming Keyboard also has a floating key design. This means that the keys are raised up off the keyboard, which makes them easier to press. It also gives the keyboard a more stylish look. Finally, the Cosmic Byte Themis Mechanical Gaming Keyboard has a detachable USB cable, which makes it easy to transport the keyboard, and it also makes it easy to clean. So, there are just a few of the things that makes the Cosmic Byte Themis Mechanical Gaming Keyboard such a great option for gamers. If you are looking for a stylish, performant and affordable mechanical gaming keyboard, then this is the one for you. The Cosmic Byte Themis Mechanical Gaming Keyboard is a perfect weapon for your gaming arsenal. With its stunning looks, tactical and clicky switches, floating key design and detachable USB cable, it's the only keyboard you will ever need. So what are you waiting for? Order your Cosmic Byte Themis Mechanical Gaming Keyboard today and start dominating your opponents.